Today we're making junk journal stickers. It is the ultimate reduce, reuse, upcycle project to help you use up your scraps, and I'm also using it as a way to help me with my creative block. So I've been working on this file folder for some time now, and I've been taking it page by page, and I've hit a wall where I feel like I'm kind of in like a creative rut, and I look around my craft room trying to grab inspiration from the materials that I already own, and my first knee-jerk reaction is to hop online, go to the craft store, and see if there's something else out there in the world that will jumpstart my creativity. But I'm trying to get better at not overspending and making sure that I'm doing my part and upcycling and recycling materials. So instead of going out to the craft store and spending unnecessary money, I am going to dig through my little stash of scrap papers and create some art from that. So let's declutter a little bit and get those creative juices flowing and make some junk journal stickers. Making junk journal stickers is a lot like making a master board. You want to start with your sticker paper, then make a base of color with ink pads or whatever dry mediums that you have, and create a pattern with a background stamp. I'm using ink as my base because it's a relatively dry medium and I didn't want to run the risk of messing up the adhesive on the sticker paper. So I'm collaging with no rhyme or reason. I'm just pulling pieces from my scraps that are interesting to me because of their color or their texture. The next step is to cut out interesting shapes. I'm running the collage through my die cutting machine and using these little rectangle dies. If you don't have a die cutting machine, make your own paper template. Draw it out on your sheet and cut from there. Or you can keep the sheet whole and cut little pieces from it as you journal. Collaging with paper scraps and sticker sheets is also a great end of project craft to do if you found that you have a lot of quote unquote unusable scraps piling up on your desk. Once you've cut your stickers, you can use them to collage on a book cover like I did with this little insert. Or you can use it to embellish a page like I did in my memory file folder. Or you can decorate more on the individual stickers to give it more dimension and save for later. You can also use your stickers as writing spots on your junk journal pages that are really heavy with images and text. There are so many options and ideas that you can explore with these stickers, depending on the size and shape of them. I hope you have fun with this project. But before I go, it is time for our small business highlight. This is a segment where I highlight a small business that caters to our community of creative journaling artists. If you have a small business and would like the opportunity to have your shop featured in a future video, make sure to leave the name of your shop in the comments below. So let's highlight the shop Eclectic Collage DSG. If you're in need of paper variety, I recommend checking out Eclectic Collage DSG. In their shop, you'll find curated packs of paper and digital downloads of pretty patterned papers and more. Use these paper goodies to make your own journals and collage. The link to Eclectic Collage DSG Etsy shop is in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.